Shanisha, Shunisha,
The Youth Saviorites is a vibrant youth choir group from Lotuli, Goa, who come together every Sunday to sing in choral harmonies at the parish church, led by their talented choir master, Ronnie Fernandez, since September 2022. This year, for Carols on the Hill, they will share the timeless stories of Jesus' birth and fill our hearts with the true meaning of Christmas.
We, the Youth Saviorites, are all geared up to perform a few Christmas carols in choral harmonies, hoping you will like it. To begin with, we have Shantanisha, the literal translation of Silent Night. This soulful hymn is written and composed by Agnello Mendes and Bernardo Cota, bringing the serene holy night of Jesus' birth.
Shanisha, Shunisha, Karo ki sogriani. Mari Suse, Kunda at Palo, Tulo Palo, Nidla Poro, Gauri Chikorun Ka. Shanisha, Shunisha, Kuliani de Globuswa, Sorgavelle, Teu Teuta, Suntu San Modu, Kit Gaita, Krista Ruxon Monda. Shanisha, Shunisha, Devagelia Buddha. Rupartucha, Mogros Rosta, Kurbece, Fakle Fate, Yevuntu Amche Mode.
The next, the next carol we are going to sing is Sansar Gunta. This carol was written by Vasco de Rego, composed by Santana Falero, and choral arrangement by El Barreto. This carol talks about that in a world so big, there has occurred a miracle that did not come in grandiosity, but this miracle will definitely make a grand difference in each and every life.
Survam Kortia
The next carol we are going to sing is a lullaby, Jesu Balka Priticha, written by Vasco da Rego, composed by A. Souza, and choral arrangement done by Bernard Cotta. This song praises the infant Jesus, glorifying his name, showing us, despite being the king of the world, his humbleness.
The next carol we are going to sing is Mariye Matik Balok Zala, written by Dr. Professor Manohar Rai Sardesai and composed by Professor Mikhail Martins. This song is also a lullaby, telling us about the ambience and atmosphere of when Jesus was born.
Gantir ganto pasoi gantir.
Gantir ganto pasoi gantir.
Ponte pito layat vati.
Ponte pito layat vati.
Sham moro shitol rati.
Mogar baro sandne pila. Mari mate palok sala. Mari mate palok sala. Mari mate palok sala. Mari mate palok sala.
Soblo kalu asli pato.
Soblo kalu asli fato.
Unis sati tisli tu.
Unis sati tislito.
Svarachi salikato.
Dolo bana hasgo fula. Mari mate palok sala. Mari mate palok sala. Mari mate palok sala. Mari mate palok sala.
Ushezo paulo daro.
Ushizo valodaro.
Sopsopta novotaro.
Sopsopta novotaro.
Tona ito fullon soro.
Abladeva utila. Mari mate palok sala. Mari mate palok sala. Mari mate palok sala. Mari mate palok sala.
Ruka ruka asle ture.
Ruka ruka hase ture.
Sopsoki koran hire.
Suksuki korang hire.
Vai legit sale bore.
Sogang karis tula. Mari mate palok sala. 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 Mari mate palok sala.
Our next carol is Devalendan, written by Lino Disa, composed and arranged by Thomas de Aquino Siqueira. We often see that we are the ones offering ourselves and our thoughts and our difficulties to God. But now, God has offered himself to us in the form of his Son, our Lord Jesus Christ. So this carol tells about this precious offering and how we should be sharing it with the world.
Devalendan, आमच्या काळजांनी घालून दवरून तो
कायेतान संसार पोरवाटू बावला कोण कोणी सोल्या मोगानू
Devalentan, 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 dan palci surupa. Devalentan, 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 dan palci surupa. Natalang disaili Dev Shanti. Susa morani, korunti bolti.
Shanto taetan tote sankasu Toria tusmantai baba vakveka
Devalentan, 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 devalentan.
Mogan deule mucha chahata
Dante omorik kitlente vici Gutrai lole sorgone gutan Devalentan, 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 dan pace surupa. Devalentan, 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 dan pace surupa. Devalentan, 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 dan pace surupa.
The next carol we are going to sing is Jinjinit Tintinit. This carol was written by Lino Dasa and composed by Thomas de Aquino Sequeira.
Jinjinit, jinjinit.